What if I told you that in just 15 minutes, I can show you how many people right now are creating online incomes, increasing their portfolios by using smart AI integrated strategies. B is already trusted by hundreds of thousands of people in more than 100 countries. It's not just a platform, it's a global movement that combines online trading, education, AI integrated tools to help you understand the markets better and generate online income. By the end of this presentation, you'll have a clear path how you can add another online income stream or create your very first. So let's get right into it. My name is Miguel, and today I have the honor to present you one of the fastest online businesses in this day and time. The very first important thing is obviously that you need to understand that people have multiple fears, especially when it comes to the online space, the trading space, the investing space, and the online marketing space in general. You might have seen it on TikTok, you might have seen it on social platforms. Everyone is showing you their business and how you can make money online. But the problem is most people fear that they will lose, they fear the risk, they fear the complexity that they won't understand it, and they feel simply to fail. And I completely understand that. But globally, there are facts. Almost 30% know that they should be trading or investing, but they have the lack of the knowledge, right? You need to understand that no one in school, to be quite frank, understands or teaches us finance, money, investing. So they teach us how to get a job, how to study and be a good worker, be on time, but they don't teach you how you invest your money and make more out of your money. So the correct help is that up to 4 out of 5 non-investors would start right now if they had access to targeted education and AI tools. So most people are looking for this very opportunity, but they have these fears, and most of them would start trading and investing today. And you probably too, because the potential of the skill set is amazing and limitless, but the knowledge or the lack of the knowledge is what you're fearing. So let's get into the knowledge. Now, first of all, we need to make sure you understand what is the difference in between trading and investing. Now, the difference in investing is that you are buying assets and hold it, right? Whether in trading, you are trading asset pairs. So investing is a little bit more long-term, whether trading is a little bit more short-term, right? As you can see here, long-term duration on investing, short-term on trading. The time requirement is mostly one-time investment, right? In trading, mostly a daily basis or on a daily basis, right? You would open a position and close it the same day. The winning potential is that investing, it's simpler and less risky, higher capital needed, but then in trading needs less capital, but it's higher risk, right? So we're going to use both here with the platform B, and we are focused on 3 major markets. And you might have never heard that, but the Forex, the stock market, and the crypto market are the largest financial markets in this world, where Forex is the leader. The Forex market is where you exchange currencies. The stock market is the market where you buy into stocks, so you hold certain values in companies, or you're basically betting on the companies creating more profit, therefore you will also increase profit. Therefore, you will also receive a part of this profit. And then we have the crypto market, which is the most talked but also the less understood market on this planet Earth, with insane potentials, but unfortunately most people lose because they don't have this very information. Now let's talk about the partner that you work together with from now on, and that is B. B is an e-learning, AI, and trading platform featured in Business for Home as the global leader, right? It's called Better Experience BE. It's a DMCC company founded in 2018, has over 200 employees in 60 different countries, and is a worldwide partner, right? The CEO and co-founder is Moin Islam, right? And Hassan Islam, who is the CTO and also a co-founder. They're regulated by the DSA UAE. It's the first digital product-based company to be a member of the DSA in the UAE. So all of the regulations, all of the seriousness, all of the brain in this company. And as you can see, the beautiful pictures of this very office where I'm sitting right now here in the recording room, right, is represented by this B company that is a strong partner on your side when it comes to e-learning, AI, and trading. Now let's get into what's in it for you. The very first platform that you will have access to in B is called WOW, the World of Wisdom, right? World of Wisdom teaches you about Forex trading, crypto trading, stock trading, and the NXT system, which is a system that is very well known internationally for being one of the most precise and easiest trading systems to learn. You have a Mindset Academy, a Finance Academy, and a Product Academy for all of the products that this ecosystem here at B features, right? As you can see here, we have live trading sessions, we have recorded sessions in multiple different languages, right? Even if you're listening now in English, but your native language, for example, Spanish or Arabic or whatsoever, we have this language for you. Here you can learn, like in an online university, but without it being so boring, about trading and investing, the real education, because information will change your situation. And since no one has ever taught you about financial education, here on Wow, the World of Wisdom, you will learn this valuable information that could change your life and your lifestyle. The second pillar is the apps, right? We use smart apps like Relic, Shift, and Titan, as you can see here. These apps you can download in the App Store and Google Play Store, and they will give you the opportunity to follow some of the most profitable traders in this industry. A very simple explanation of how these apps are going to work is that you receive alerts from professional traders that are vetted by B, they're controlled by B, and their performance is constantly checked, and if they don't come up to our high standard, they will be replaced by better traders. These traders send you trade ideas, which means whatever they do in the market, they will let you know with an alert on your smartphone, whether it's crypto, Forex, or indices, for example, gold. So if one of these traders, for example, sees the opportunity to enter the market, he will send an alert to your iPhone, to your Android phone, to your Samsung, whatever it is, and you will open it. You can copy and paste this information into your brokerage account, into your bank account, and profit real time from these traders. Now the flagship of B, which is internationally recognized to be the most developed tool in the AI space and trading space, is called SageMaster. SageMaster gives you the opportunity to leverage AI right now to become a profitable trader in crypto or Forex or indices. Now, the amazing thing about SageMaster is that it's a very intuitive and easy platform which breaks down complex trading strategies for you to use them with 3 clicks. So imagine you log into SageMaster. You choose a provider, which is a trader. You connect your broker account where your money stays on your account. No one else can touch it. It's highly secured. And now whatever this trader is doing, it will automatically be reflected in your account. You set up the risk management, you set up how you want to use this strategy, and whatever this real trader on his side does will be reflected in your account. Let's say, for example, you connect to a Forex provider, which means now you're connected, for example, to a trader called Ray Nova. If Ray Nova opens a trade, for example, he's buying gold, this trade will be also reflected in your account with your risk setup. So if you say follow this trader with 1% risk management, it will use 1% of your account to enter this gold trade. After Ray Nova, the provider, closes this trade, it will also automatically be closed in your account, and therefore you have followed them. Doesn't matter if you're sleeping, you're working, or you're taking care of your kids, or you're in the gym. Whatever this trader does in real time, it will be transferred into your account, and you will follow this trader and create the same result. That's how you seamlessly, without a lot of investment, right now can leverage experts with technology. The AI integrated in SageMaster will constantly check if everything is working fine, and you can even use our tool MasterGPT, which was launched before ChatGPT, which has the same function just for trading, where you can ask, how are my current strategies performing? And the AI will make an assessment of your strategies, update you, and tell you what you could do. Now, very important, on this platform B, there is never any financial advice involved. Your money is always safe on your account. We only work with connections to your account. All the percentages, the profits, and what you see on the platform is very important to add that past results never guarantee future results. Now, the same goes for crypto. Let's say you are overcomplicating crypto trading. Let's say you are buying crypto at the wrong time. Now, here you will see the SageMaster ecosystem. The SageMaster ecosystem consists out of AI Basket, which is a balancing and rebalancing tool known as the hedge fund model. If you invest money with a hedge fund, they will take your money. This money will then be distributed into different assets. The profits that you make with these different assets will then be redistributed and rebalanced into your positions, right? The same thing AI Basket does for free without you giving your money away, without any profit shares or anything you need to share. Your profit is your profit. AI Basket, for example, the crypto blue chip basket, consists out of Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, XRP, and BNB, 5 cryptocurrencies. The AI will do the allocation for you. For example, out of $1,000, we'll put 25% into Bitcoin, 25% into BNB, 10% into XRP, but it will change these percentages depending on how much potential the coin has. The AI does that automatically for you. Once you create profits through your investments in these cryptocurrencies, the profits will be taken and divided back into these assets, so you always keep the same balance. That's the best strategy and a proven way on how to increase your profits in crypto, where you are not emotional anymore. Most people lose in crypto because they are emotional. With these tools, you let AI work for you, so it's the smartest way on how to invest into crypto. The second tool that is featured here on SageMaster is called AI Grid. AI Grid is a market-proven strategy on how to make profitable returns on different cryptocurrencies, whether if the market is going up or down. What Grids needs is sideways movement. That doesn't mean that if the market goes up or down, you're losing money. But grids perform very well when the markets are going sideways. So when most people tune out of the markets, say it's boring, is when grid can make the most money. The grid strategy can be started with about 50 to 60 US dollars, and now this strategy will be open directly, start trade right away, and for example, accumulate positions in Bitcoin USDT, Solana USDT, XRP USDT, or even USDC. It doesn't matter, and will start to perform for you automatically and without you having to check it. If you want to understand something, you can go into MasterGPT, our own in-house AI, ask about the strategy, ask if you should continue the strategy or stop the strategy. That's real technology. Now, marketplace providers, I already explained to you for Forex, we have it for crypto too, which means we have crypto traders and strategies that whatever they trade, it will be reflected into your account depending on the settings. You can choose the risk management, you can choose the money management, which means if you don't know how to do it, you can use the AI assist, again AI, it will help you to set up your strategy. And here one more time, MasterGPT, I've already talked about it, our little helper, right, that helps you even as a beginner to understand some complex investments where you can become a pro trader with AI way faster than most people without AI. So you should use AI right away, and MasterGPT, right, can answer your questions about the market, not only about the strategies that you're running, but in general about the markets, right? You can ask, should I buy Bitcoin right now? Should I sell Bitcoin right now? It will analyze the market live and then tell you what you could do. Now again, this is no financial advice. Now the income opportunities in B are very vast. To sum it up, we have SageMaster as our flagship product with AI integrated to help you to become profitable in the markets faster than ever. We have signal apps or trade idea apps where experts send you trade ideas, but you can even automate that with SageMaster. You have education, because information is always the fundament to change your situation. We have the most diverse educational platform and highly professional in different languages. We have the digital marketing side, which is one of the most valuable ways on how to make money nowadays, because we found out as one of the largest communities in the world that most people want to learn trading, and here they have access, they have the most advanced and developed platform to do that, where AI is already integrated to make everything easier, but people lack money. Therefore, with the digital marketing, you have the opportunity by requesting with the person that sent you this presentation how you can make money recommending the products, recommending SageMaster, and using that money to build up your portfolio and reinvest it. Now, at the end, the most important thing is our community, because without community, nothing is fun. Our community gives online trainings weekly. We have a very strong family community cultures. We give trainings and marketing tools to you, and we have some of the best events that the world has ever seen with exclusive speakers and some of the most fun that you will have with us. So here you will learn, you will have fun, you will have a supporting and protective community, and you will learn the best skills on how to make online money right now. Now here is how you can start. In B, we have 3 packages, but most of the people use the Signature Bundle Plus. That includes even more value than what I've already showed you. It includes another AI for building the business. It includes deeper and more professional tools for the market. The Signature Plus bundle sits at an investment of $2,399 and a monthly subscription of $149. The $2,399 is what you pay to the company B to receive the information, the tools, access to the community. So it's like an investment. You're putting this money into yourself. Then you have a monthly subscription of $149, which you pay 30 days after your initial payment, every 30 days. The cool thing here is that this is not binded. There's no hidden contracts, and you can stop whenever you want, and you can rejoin whenever you want on the monthly subscription. Now, let's say, for example, the Signature Plus bundle is something you cannot afford right now. No worries. We have the Signature bundle, which sits at $1,799 in 149 months, which includes SageMaster, all of the trade ideas, and all of the education, as we have explained right now. The premium bundle is a package that some people choose if they can unfortunately not join right away on the Signature bundle, which sits at $999, $149 monthly. But here the main difference is that you are a little bit more limited in the crypto and in the Forex space for SageMaster. Whether on the Signature Plus bundle, you can connect a lot of more strategies, a lot of more brokers. In the Premium bundle, you can only connect 2 brokers in Forex and crypto, and you can run less strategies. So if you want a full experience, Signature or Signature Plus bundle is the exclusive first class ticket to your success in the trading and online space. Now, for everyone that wants to start in, just check it out and later upgrade. We offer the standard bundle. The standard bundle sits at $499 and $149 monthly, where you have to choose either you want SageMaster Crypto or Forex, and you have the full education in all the apps. Now, the cool thing here is that it's only $499, and it's the perfect way, without you risking too much, to really start into the community, to find out how it is, to get your first feeling, and later, if you love it, you can always upgrade to Premium Signature and only pay the difference. With that being said, thank you and welcome to a better experience. Now I would recommend you to go to the person that has sent you this video and request more information, ask your questions, we will transparently answer them and give you all the information that you need. Don't let this slip, because this could be the best opportunity in your lifetime.